महाराष्ट्र आपला वेबवाणी घेऊन आली आहे माहिती मनोरंजन व ताजा घडामोडीचा खजाना। गल्ली ते दिल्लीच्या घडामोडीचा आढावा थेट आपल्यापर्यंत। तर मग बघत रहा, ऐकत रहा महाराष्ट्र आपला न्यूज वेबवाणी।
Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Maharashtra Apla Webwani. This is Preeti Sabre. Let's have a look towards today's top news. While doctors and medical workers are hailed across the country for their relentless work as India battles the COVID-19 pandemic, doctors of Madhya Pradesh are not happy with the way they are being treated and are on strike for the past 4 days. The junior doctors have put forth their demands before the state government, include in stipend and free treatment for their families if they contract the deadly coronavirus infection. As of May 31, out of 344 of India's 718 districts, the lowest confirmed rate of infection is less than 5%. The government of India said relaxation in curfew restrictions could be announced in districts where 70 most vulnerable beneficiaries under the vaccination program were vaccinated. Hours after Maharashtra Minister state starting tomorrow, Uddhav Thackeray led government on Thursday evening took a U-turn clarifying that the ongoing lockdown-like restriction imposed due to second wave of COVID-19 have not been lifted anywhere in the state. In an official statement, Maharashtra CMO said that relaxation of restrictions as per the situation in different areas is only under consideration and no decision has been taken yet. A major fire broke out in the Badlapur and Bhiwandi area of Mumbai, creating panic among the locals. No casualties so far were reported. According to sources, the cause of the leakage is believed to be overheating. People in the area also reported experiencing trouble in breathing. The Badlapur civic officials inspected the factory and said the gas is not toxic. Let's have a short break. Welcome back after the break. With the Reserve Bank of India all set to announce its bi-monthly monetary policy on Friday, it is expected that Governor Shaktikanta Das will roll out a status quo on benchmark rate largely on account of uncertainty over the impact of the second wave of COVID-19. The bank's rate setting panel began Central Bank's rate setting panel began its 3-day deliberations on Wednesday, and experts are of the opinion that it will keep the policy rate intact over the fears of firming inflation due to the coronavirus crisis. Domestic bank BSE Sensex and Nifty 50 ended at a record closing high on Thursday, which was led by some impressive gains in metals, realty and financial stocks. As per reports, BSE Sensex surged 383 points or 0.74% to end at record closing high of 52,232, while Nifty 50 index jumped 100 115 points to end at of 15,690.35. The second wave of the COVID-19 has devastated many families forever, while some lost the only breadwinner in their family. Many children lost both the parents, putting them in a very vulnerable position. Central and state government have announced various schemes for such severe cases. Now, the Indian multinational conglomerate Reliance Industries Limited has announced the Family Support and Welfare Scheme for the family employees who lost their lives to COVID-19. The move comes to help families cope the grave loss they have had to suffer due to COVID-19. US Vice President Kamala Harris on Thursday spoke to Prime Minister Narendra Modi about the Biden administration's plan to make COVID vaccines available to other countries including India under its strategy for global vaccine sharing. I deeply appreciate the assurance of vaccine supplies to India as part of the US strategy for global vaccine sharing. I also thank her for all the support and solidarity from the US government, business, Indian diaspora, PM Modi wrote on Twitter. So bye, these today's news have finished. Have a good day.